If you are like most small businesses, your sales and marketing departments pretty much live inside of Microsoft Outlook as they get all their work done throughout the course of the day. And ever since 1998, Sales Outlook has been pioneering the use of Microsoft Outlook and Exchange Server as the technology platform for a fully customizable CRM system. Our system is 100% embedded inside of the folder structure of Microsoft Office 365, and that provides your team with a fully customizable CRM that has excellent mobile access from your cell phones and your tablets. All of your email correspondence with your customers is automatically saved and filed at the customer records within the database. SalesOutlook CRM has the very unique capability of being able to automatically save and then file all of your email correspondence directly to the customer records, even when you send an email from your cell phone to a customer. So you no longer need to blind copy yourself on important emails and then try to find another subfolder in your inbox to save them, because SalesOutlook is going to take care of that for you. We have excellent integration with the QuickBooks accounting system. Our system is easily customizable. All of the fields, the pick lists, and the reports can be easily customized. The mobile access capability is available on your BlackBerries, your iPhones, your iPads, and other Android devices. We also have advanced dashboards and reporting. Our engine for the report system is driven by Crystal Reports. It's a very powerful and flexible report writer. We provide live user training workshops to all of our clients. And as an optional add-on, we have an email campaign management module that is powered by an integration that we have with Constant Contact. SalesOutlook is a full-featured CRM system embedded inside of the ribbon up above your inbox. All of the modules of your CRM system are all visible and accessible from your inbox. When you click on the big button for accounts, that's going to be for all the companies and businesses that are going to be in your database. When you click on the big button for contacts, that's going to be for all the people that are in your database. Opportunities are all the deals that roll up to your forecast and pipeline. We also have a lead management module, which is suitable to connect to your website if you capture leads right off your website. We can keep track of all the activities, tasks, and appointments. We have a customer service module, which is fully customizable for your help desk tech support department or your field service organization. As I mentioned earlier, we use Crystal Reports as the engine to drive all of our customizable reports and dashboards. And as an optional add-on module, we're also fully integrated with Constant Contact to manage all of your broadcast email campaigns. If you would like to learn more about how SalesOutlook can meet the unique business needs of your organization, we would like to schedule a live system demonstration so that we can show you how our system can be customized for your business, and we can also answer all of the questions that you have. Please use the Contact Us form on our website, and we look forward to hearing from you.